Howdy, again. Today, I have an unboxing to do. I've not posted one of these in a while. I say not posted because I've done a few, and I didn't like them. I thought they were stupid, so I deleted them and didn't post them. Some of them actually started out pretty well, and then I got halfway through, and something was stupid, and I didn't want to start over because I can't rebox it. You know, like the part where I cut the plastic, that can't really be done again. I guess I could pretend, but you would know, and I would know, and Jesus would know. So I got these today, and I figured I would. I actually forgot I ordered these. They were on my porch when I got home, and I had no idea what these things were, but then I remembered. So some of you may have heard of SPREZZABOX. And that's what I have. And I'm actually a little bit confused because on the website, because I'd looked at these before, and on the website it says that they are curated personally for you. Let me see if I can find the exact wording, the verbiage, if you will. Choose from our monthly rebillable, prepaid, blah, blah, blah. Our stylists at work. A stylist will handpick 5 to 6 products, all yours to keep. Typical items will include ties, socks, pocket squares, grooming products, and more. Here is my problem with that. They didn't ask me anything other than my name, my address, and my credit card information. I mean, maybe something about how I want to be billed, but about me, nothing. They didn't ask what shirt size I wear. They didn't ask what my favorite color is. They didn't ask what I dress up for. Is it, for work? Is it for dates? Is it something else? I don't know. I don't know why you would dress up other than for work or dates. I guess church. I guess the kind of dapper that you are on a date isn't the same as the kind you are for Jesus. But anyway, I ordered the boxes thinking... Well, I placed the order thinking that maybe somebody would reach out to me to get to know me, to understand me, and then curate. Because, I mean, how are you going to curate something for me without knowing me? I mean, unless, they got in contact with Miss Cleo, because she's dead. I mean, I don't know if y'all know that, but she died. But maybe she's come through with that guy, what's his face, Edwards or whatever. Maybe that guy. I don't know. But somehow... by virtue of debonair psychic powers, they've put together these 2 boxes for me. This was $20. I don't know if the deal's still going on, but I saw a code on Facebook, on a Facebook ad, and I never get on Facebook. Not anymore. And I saw it, and I said, okay, whatever. And I went for it. So... I got both of these for $20. I'm going to cancel my membership tonight, probably, because I don't really have high hopes for this. I think this is going to be really, really ridiculous. First impressions, it's nicely wrapped, except for here where there's a hole, and it took some damage here. I'm guessing in shipping, or maybe the psychics realized I was going to be on to their charade, and they got pissed off and they threw the box. And then they thought, oh, crap, I still have to send it. So, I don't know. But we're going to start with the blue box because I like blue. I don't have my regular knife. I don't know where it is. I put it down somewhere and now it's missing. It's probably between the couch cushions. Just so you can see, this isn't a fake unboxing. Okay. Oh, they're stuck together. Okay. I guess this is the lid for this box. I don't understand how that works, but this fell out. The Grand. Say hello to the blues. This handy little box is packed with tons of stylish and practical accessories. And I'm guessing this is what I got. Knottery tie. Retail $55. Nothing says get the most quality for your buck than this knottery necktie. The boldness of your ties, navy and green rugby. I totally thought that said ugly. Aesthetic is a winning presence in the office or out and about. Twillery socks. Oh, so the knottery tie retails for $55. Twillery socks, they retail for $9.99. It's always the season for timeless craftsmanship in a pair of socks. I mean, it is. I mean, when I think socks, I think craftsmanship. And I see a man in socks, I think that man is a craftsman. If you want to be extra fashionable, match these to a check shirt with blue or green accents, which you can find on Twillery's website. The only accent I have is American. SPREZZA sunglasses. I don't know about these. Retail, $30. Here's the thing. Outside of these boxes, I've never heard of SPREZZA. So, at what retailer can I buy these sunglasses? Maybe like Dollar General? Take your style to new heights with SPREZZA's latest pair of aviators. They provide a comfortable fit that is universal for almost any face shape. Oh, so square is included. So you know you will look cool. Weekend casual. Oh, it's a lapel. Retail, $15. Okay. Let's get a little funky with a rustic elk head pin to add some attention to your lapel. This little guy is the perfect conversation starter year-round. But conversation about what? Lapels? And how you got it from this stupid box that cost you $20? That's not much of a conversation. If anything, the other person will think you're stupid for spending that on this ridiculous box. Everett gloves. Retail, $8. Everyone needs a good pair of gloves, even with global warming. The fingertips are equipped with a coated fiber that allows for you to still use a touchscreen device without having to remove your gloves. Okay, those actually might work out for me, but they don't know what size gloves I wear, so it might not work out. And, you know, even if they still work with touchscreens, I imagine it's going to feel weird. Brickell face moisturizer. Okay, I don't moisturize my face. It doesn't get ashy. We cannot stress how important, retail $5. How important skincare is, especially when it comes to avoiding aging. I do like to avoid aging, but it's something that happens like every moment. Keep that mug moisturized daily and make sure to try the various grooming products. So there are various grooming products within this moisturizer. Brickell has in store I saw a period. There wasn't one. I apologize. Let me do that one over. Keep that mug moisturized daily and make sure to try out the various grooming products Brickell has in store to improve your skin health. Okay. We have some amazing announcements in 2019, including a major partnership that we still can't believe is happening. Stick around to hear all about it. See the new product launches and other exciting projects that we have been tirelessly working for on you. But stick around where? Stick around by this thing or stick around here in my own home? Just stop working, stop going to the grocery store, hang out until SPREZZA comes and tells you about this stupid announcement. I think not. Okay, let's see this presentation. Not bad. It's just regular paper that you would print on, but, you know, cut to an irregular size. These are the Twillery socks. They look kind of faded, don't they? I guess you can't really tell. Dang. Let me see if I have a light or something. Oh, I'll use the stupid light I got for Christmas. Yeah, you see that? They look kind of faded. Like somebody wore these and then they just washed them and then repackaged them. I mean, I'll probably wear these just because I wear boots and you can't really see what I'm wearing in terms of socks anyway. And I always need socks. This is a tie. It's nice and plastic wrapped, like the Chinese ties that I sometimes buy from Amazon. It's a little bit skinnier than I'm used to, than I like, actually. But I may actually re-gift this. Here's a sack. Within the sack are the aforementioned aviators. You know, I honestly don't think I would wear these. I think I would look ridiculous. But let's find out. Oh yeah, I look ridiculous. I'm not going to wear these. I look stupid. Maybe if I... No. I'm not going to wear these stupid things. I will be giving those away. This is the Moisturizer Daily Essential Face Moisturizer. Doesn't say whose face, so you can use this to moisturize any face you like. You just walk up to somebody and squirt it in their face and say, thank you for letting me moisturize you. According to this, I don't know if you'll be able to read it, but 15 milliliters of it are scented. Can you see that? Come on, focus. There it is. 15 milliliters scented. The rest of it isn't. The rest of it has no scent. It's odorless. This must be the lapel. Or it's a fortune cookie. Made of pulp. Like wood pulp. Oh no, it is. It's the lapel. It looks kind of ridiculous. I wouldn't wear this. I don't really wear lapels. Did you get to see it? Did it even focus? It doesn't matter. It looks stupid. You don't want to see it. And then here are the gloves. These look kind of small. But it says one size. Oh, it's a texting. Oh, snap. Sorry, I dropped it. It's a texting glove. Come on, focus. Okay, I promise it's a texting glove. Yeah. One size fits all. Okay. Other side. The original box we were going to open first. The Herald. Move through your daily checklist with confidence, knowing that you've got the style part covered. Look good, feel good, and smell good so that others take notice. Or you could just be exceptional and they'll notice you anyway. SPREZZATIE. SPREZZATIE. Sorry. There's a pipe. I thought it was an L. Retail $30. The speckle and herringbone pattern on this tie is truly unique. Stay confident as the necktie centers your presence, especially in a white button-down shirt. I mean, obviously, if the shirt's white, it's going to stick out like a sore thumb. Or a not sore thumb. Because thumbs just tend to stick out in general. Basic Outfitter socks. Retail, $12. Camo is making a comeback and is now more prevalent than ever. So we've decided to help you step up your sock game with this pair. Basic Outfitters will reinforce your stride with durable cotton blend comfort for your feet. Retail $12. $4.55 pocket square. Retail $19. You know, I really can't justify spending any amount of money for spare fabric. Pocket squares are just stupid. A pocket square defines your style. It adds that extra touch to a simple blazer, bringing your entire outfit together. Fold it neatly and tuck it into your breast pocket. Executive Society bracelet. Oh, okay. I mean, if it gains me admission, why not? Retail $44.99. Executive Society's got your wrist game covered. Oh, I thought my watch did that. Wrap it around your wrist and tuck the anchor through. Don't forget to check out their other cool products. Frey dryer sheet. Really? Dryer sheets? That's not very dapper. Retail $9. This 10-pack of Frey dryer sheets promote fresh fragrance and an environment fresh with an F, not a PH. Environmentally friendly way to keep your clothes soft. You will now smell like a man without needing the cologne. Learn more and take advantage of their first-time purchase discount on the website livefrey.com. For high-quality products that are both stylish and affordable, don't forget to check out our online store at SPREZZABOX.com/store. We're always dropping new products, so they're broken. Basic Outfitters. Oh. Okay. I can create a drawer. I'm not going to do that. Alright, so more random paper. I mean, it's not that camo if it actually says Basic Outfitters on it. It's going to be hard for my feet to blend in and evade detection. Okay, seriously, this looks like a bag for dice. Like for spin downs from when I play Magic the Gathering. I am actually going to use this for that. I'm guessing this is the society thing. I don't... What? So this is an anchor on a piece of string. So is this supposed to be my bracelet? This is ridiculous. Who would wear this? It's basically a shoestring with an anchor on it. Is that how you wear it? Or do you just keep wrapping it? Oh, snap. This looks so cheap. Like, how is this executive? This is like executive for a 5th grader, maybe. Yeah, this is ridiculous. I'm not wearing that. But I am keeping the sack for my dice. In fact, let me demonstrate how well it would work for that. Oh, there goes my switch. Oh, wrong bag. Or wrong pocket. Because actually I have a set of dice that are metal, and I don't want them bumping into my other dice and damaging them. Yeah, it works pretty nice. And it even has like a spin down on it. So, sweet. Thank you, SPREZZABOX. This I will use. What else? Here's the pocket square that... Do you see what I mean? This looks like it's just spare fabric. It looks like somebody was making like a blanket, or they're upholstering a really ugly car, like a rental car, and they said, oh, look, this is left over. Let's just put a designer name on it and say it's a pocket square. Yeah, no thank you. Here's the tie. And is it just me, or does it look dirty? Can you see? No, you probably can't see. Let me take it out of the bag. It looks like it's worn out. Is that supposed to be distressed, or are they just selling me used products? Because it really looks like it's used products. I mean, I'll probably wear it just because I have trouble picking ties. No, I don't. I just pick random ties every time I have to wear a tie. But, yeah. So here are the dryer sheets. They look like, you know, those moist wipes that aren't used for drying things. So that's it. These have been SPREZZABOXes. I've unboxed them. I think everything in there is stupid except for the dice bag that wasn't supposed to be a dice bag. I don't recommend these things, and have a great day.